Hello, my name is Maria. This is Love, Pray, Paint. And this is my daughter Lyric and my son Elijah. So today my video idea was to have these cute little critters do my voiceover for the painting I'm going to be doing. So it will be either sped through or in real time, and they will be saying the steps that I'm doing while I paint. So doesn't that sound like fun, guys?
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe and drop us a like
and share this video with your friends. Hey, hey!
So enjoy the video. Meet me back at the canvas.
Okay, step one, you draw your bunny. And you have to make it perfect or else I'll get my ruler and slap you. You can tell it's a bunny. Right? Oh, there's a bunny. I think we're done here with the bunny. Now we're rubbing my poop and smearing it all over the painting. Oh yeah. This looks so good. The bunny's trying to eat the poop. And we're going to smear this blue over it, because why not? Now I probably have dirty paintbrushes, but who cares? Yay! Okay, and we're going to put a little bit more blue until it hits the bunny's ears, I think. And now we're just getting it all over. We are just smearing it. You could tell I'm a good artist. Yeah, and with my bunny on the floor, that's white, and you can't tell the difference. You could tell there's no grass because. And we're also going to put glue all over the bunny, because why not? And you guys like my arm, right? Isn't it so cute looking? Yay! This is the best painting I ever did. With the colorful blue bunny. Where did your bunny go? Oh, okay, we're just gonna smear more things, because why not? Just circular motion. And, who cares about how it looks like? I don't really care. Hello? Anybody there? Anyways, we're just going to sprinkle pee all over it. We're going to get the paintbrush. I wait until it dries and just do that thing that you saw I did. And now I'm just touching my pee for no reason. And yeah. And here's my mark on the painting. Makes sense, right? Yeah! So we're gonna add more detail to his mop. And actually it could also be a broomstick for the bunny and the witch, if that's even a start. Oh, and here's the handle for the mop. So I think it also could be veins, like the one on your body. If you don't know what those are, well, bad for you. Stupid. So we're just gonna add more veins or handles. I don't really know. And wait, let me kill this fight. I'm gonna put more detail on it. Hopefully. I mean, I'm the best painter ever. Better than the person who made Mona Lisa. As you can tell, the tree looks like a human hand. Wait, hopefully she deletes that one out. Yay! I don't know what to say. Say something. I'm putting more detail and put my paintbrush on my nose so it could turn blue, and I want to be a more. And I'm using my fingers to smear the poop more. As you can tell again, I'm just making a poop tree. It grows just poop and nothing other than poop. And the bunny rabbit really wants to eat it. It's been craving it. And we're adding more poop just because I really love it. So yeah, you can just subscribe, and if you don't subscribe, I will come to your house and smack you from the computer. Computer? What's a computer? Anyway, so you can tell I'm still spinning my poop all over the tree. Don't ask where I got that poop from, or else we'll sue you. Like, actually not sue you, but put you in the sewer. Hope you have a nice life there with your rat friends. Yeah. Oh, you guys really must love my hand. Isn't it so cool? You're gonna probably see my hair a little bit. Isn't it cool? I got it from Amazon. It's totally fake. I'm exposing my mom. Shh. Okay, anyways, you like my nose as well? Okay, wait. Okay, so now we're adding more veins to this poop tree and smearing more poop on it, because why not? And I'm gonna freaking... Just say, I'm gonna put some more pee on it. So I'm just gonna add more stuff just because why not? I feel like I should be adding stickers to it, like alphabet stickers, but it won't make sense. Like everybody says no, but I don't understand why. Oh, look at my beautiful sky. I don't know why it's not brown, but oh well. We're adding more pee, as you can see. And that toothbrush came, you don't know what I know. We use it in my dog's mouth, so cute. Over here's my fan brush I use to fan me down. But also I use it to smear my poop with. So yeah, you can watch me do that, as you can tell. And yeah. You could tell I was just pooping on the camera. Okay, now we're gonna finish my bunny, and now I think of it, it actually looks like a possum. So it's our possum friend, and the grass there, it's not grass, it's triangles that I put at the bottom. And so you will get hurt if you walk on it. Yeah, it's really spikes. It's not a triangle. I was just lying. It's actually nails. I wouldn't recommend on that, but I don't know what the possum's on there for. And that moon over there, I was a little bit lazy on it, so I didn't really care. So right now, we're smearing my poop in the possum. We don't know why, but I think it looks pretty good, right? We'll poop in the possum. Oh, and right there, it's pooping in its front area. We don't know why. It's pooping out of its belly button. I don't even know possums have belly buttons. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. Okay, so do you like my face? Look how pretty it is. Sorry for that zoom in. Oh, I'm the best vlogger ever. Okay. Okay, time to do the moon. Time to paint some blue stuff on the moon. Paint, I can tell, but the black stuff is poop, to make you sure. Diarrhea. This is blue. Stop it. And yeah, as you can see, it looks a little bit like a parasite. It looks like Pac-Man actually. Yeah. Do you like my brand new face? Yeah. That white t-shirt over there is my brother painting because I can't do this moon. Just kidding. I'm the best painter ever on the moon, right, guys? Oh my gosh, it looks like a turtle or something getting eaten. I think it's a parasite. It's a maggot. Yeah, yum yum. Like, because flies are the best animals ever.
like bugs. Okay, say something. Real dude.
Okay, time to put paint on the canvas because I'm the best painter ever.
I really am trying to find my star stickers, but
Can't find them.
my dad said no.
You could tell I'm the best painter by the moon.
Yeah, and I'm also the best singer. If you want to hear my new album, just hit the link below. You'll hear me. It's like better than Ariana Grande. So we're just putting this little blue ring around the moon because I think it's married. At least maybe she got divorced. But who cares? Maybe she just kept her ring. I feel bad for the possum and the poop tree because
Put some more paint in the sky and some more blue stuff.
it's called paint, Sally. So we're just gonna do more pee, cause why not? This is getting boring. Please make it stop.
My name is not Sally.
My kids are totally not doing this voiceover. And yeah.
Richard. Who's Richard? My boyfriend. I like to call him Dick. I'm not kidding.